This is Eva TV program. Today I wan show na how we dey do agidi. So now I wan make so Nigerian agidi. So this one na the corn flour. So when I wan use already, I don pour water inside here. Na 2 packet I wan make. Make I open am. You open am like this. You pour am inside the water. You pour am inside the water like this. No na. For this place, nothing we not dey get to do, but only say not be like that our own we go come ground, come use and do am by ourselves. So nevertheless, it still dey good. So you come mix am like this inside the water. You mix am. This one na 2 packets. Oh, now do so. These 2 packets, 200 kilo. Now I mix so the 2 of them come be 4 gram. Now 4 gram na him. So you mix am like this. After you mix am finish together, when e don enter inside the water, you come carry and come put on top of fire. You go dey low heat. You come sofri dey turn am gradually. Like this. You dey turn am. You see am, see as e dey inside. So na so you dey turn am. Continue turning. So na so you dey take am. They go nothing that they put inside. Na only this water. But some people they like to put small salt inside for them to taste salt. Some will say they like to dey cut and chop like that. But this my own now. Me I won't use am eat soup. E good well. Okay. You see that this thing now? You see as it don dey form? Now the forming be this now. It don dey form now. After you don turn am almost like 15 minutes now. You see the way it dey form now, it don dey turn to agidi for your low heat. And you know why you get to dey turn am? Because if you go gum for the under like that, you know, come mix together, then no come out well. So you see it don dey turn to the agidi when we dey talk so. And the agidi be this so. You see so it must dey low heat so that you go dey make it for done well. Because if you put am for high, e no go done well. Even though it's strong, but e not done. You get to do one. If you look am now, you'll see am dey thick and it don dey change color. You see, not just dey that color before when it dey white. You see am now. You see, I think you see am don dey change. They change. Now so I will take turn am. See, it will come, all will come done together very well. So now this one me they eat because I know they eat semo. You know somebody when in the diet, you just get to they eat this one. If you see now, me I don't they go down small for my weight. Before I fat well. So I don't they try. You know say this indoor when we dey, so everybody get to dey try many things. Not just leave yourself like that. You say you dey inside. You know, instead of me you start to dey think of many things, your head won't burst. You just try find something doing. Make yourself busy. One thing another. It will make you learn many things. Even me, I don't learn many things inside this indoor when we dey, so many things. Think many things, good things. You fit do exercise. If na exercise you fit do, you go do exercise. You understand? You still do exercise so that your brain will dey work very well. Don't be say you dey get take and dey fight people. No. They will try do something. See am. Now see am. You see as it don't change. You see the done. You see am. Because if it's not done, it's not too good for our system. You need to let them done. You see, and agidi don't come, so don't set be that. Don't set, my brothers and sisters. if you know say you be the kind person wey be say when you eat semo e go dey heavy you for body, you go dey go, or someday when dem eat semo e go dey turn dem for belle. So the next thing wey you go do, you go do agidi, because if you eat am now, so you just dey eat am finish, before you know your body don light. You see am, e no dey ground or stay for the pot. As you dey do am, so far you do am with good pot, and so you just see am, e go dey comot for the pot. So I will leave am small, make it for do small. I don open am to check how e don done. You see am, e don ready. Our agidi don ready oh. So you see as e come don done well well. This one don done, you see am, don done very well. So na so make una still use this one. Look, if you know say you no sabi am, so you fit still get some idea for here how to make agidi. So now I will come off am. I don put here. Now you come cut am. Why you do am like this? So that make the thing dey different. You see am, you cut am. You cut am to separate am like this, you see. So when e don cool down, you come see them one like this, just as I take cut the spoon. Na so e go come just dey. See am? See am? So na so e dey be. Na see as e dey be. So na don see am now. Na so e be. So I will still come back show una when e don cool down how e turn off to be. Yeah? Okay. Okay, una don see am. E don cool down small now. See. Now see how e look like. So e don strong now. So I'll come comot am and put am for plate. Okay, the plate don ready. I don finish am. This one na the agidi, why na the melon soup, that is the egusi. When I want to take it, and I be this, but I will still show now for another video how I take prepare this soup. So if this agidi dey good well for any dry draw soup like okra or ogbono, so now e dey sweet well. So now this soup I get today, now make I take it am. This one good well, they make body dey light when you eat am finish. So if you like my video, please click that like button and subscribe.